In this video, we are going to create a pivot table within Microsoft Excel, and we're going to use that pivot table to help us analyze the following data set. So in this data set, we have a list of products, and then we have the details with how much were sold, the sales dollar amount that's associated with each product, and then we have the time frame of when that transaction took place. So we have month and fiscal quarter in F and G. And then we also have the store location here in section I. So to create this pivot table, we're going to go to the Insert tab, and then we're going to select the pivot table icon here. And then we're going to click that icon, and then we're going to see a pop-up window where Excel has pre-populated the data range. And in this range, it just tells us where in this table set does it start, and then when does it end. So in this case, it's A1 and I61. And then we're going to choose where to place this pivot table. So for this example, we're just going to select the new worksheet, and then we're going to hit OK. And then we're going to see a pivot table fields list, and it's going to be broken up into two different sections. So the first section is the field name, which is this list of values here. And each of these field names might look familiar because it's the header of the columns in our raw data. And then in the bottom section, it's broken up into 4 areas. So the first area is the filter section. The top right is the columns, and then the bottom left is the rows area, and then the last one is the values. So the pivot table is going to show and display the data in different ways depending on where do we put each of these field names into each of these areas down here. So let's just go through an example. So what if we want to see a breakdown of sales for each product by quarter? So first we're going to select the product, and then we're going to put it in our rows area, and then we're going to bring in our fiscal quarter, and then we're going to bring that into our column section, and then we're going to bring in our sales details, and then we're going to bring that into values. And just like that, we can see a breakdown for each product, and in each quarter, how much sales do we have for each of the products. And we can take it one step further, and we can bring in the store location, and then we can put it in our filters. And let's just say we want to narrow down, and we want to see for, let's say, the store in Florida, how did it do? And just like that, we're able to see and get insights with how that store did and performed for each of the different quarters. And there you have it, guys. So if you guys like this video and want to see more like it, make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks.